G'day guys, here we are, Rod Point. Today I'm a little bit late. I think took too long before I went to bed, so getting a little bit lazy. That's what the holidays does to us. Come to Rod Point, one of my favorite place to come to try things, if I can say that, like testing lures. You guys will see some of the work I've been done. So yeah, so today I come and use the bent minnow and the stick minnows and stuff like that, and do the usual thing anyway. I'm starting on this corner here. Normally to get some bites. So let's see it. I suppose if I come the hour and a half earlier, I went straight to the bridge, but because I come late, I leave the bridge for later. So I'm gonna do the milk run around here, and because the tide going down is already not too sure many hours. I think 2 hours been running down. So I'm gonna wait for the low tide and I'm running into the bridge in the meantime, do my milk run and see how we go. So stay tuned. Oh. Yep, well, one. Can you guys believe that? Work up for himself now. Oop, maybe it's still waiting, eh? The way it looks like. It's not a bad start. Bent minnow. Yeah, decent sand whiting too. Oh, my net is not ready, nothing ready. That's pretty quick, eh? Is it, Tiger? Oh, yep. So, the one I used today is the Twitch 66 from Hurricane. And I have to be honest, I love the stuff from Hurricane. Doesn't matter what you tie it on. Have to love it. So one thing I noticed at the moment, I lost a hook, but we're gonna be keep using this. So I have to leave some feedback about that, because it's not right. See, miss a hook there. Let's have a look. I'm not gonna take a picture of this one because it's not a target fish. Target fish always been a bream. I can tell you guys, as far as I can see from here, that's a 38 centimeter sand whiting. Not bad, eh?